Okay, this is going to be the fifth lesson on the drop two chords, and now we're on to the middle four strings. And just as a reminder, the reason the drop two chord was created for guitar players was, even though like this major seventh chord is very simple to play on guitar, the next inversion of that is not. So, for example, if I played G major 7 right here, you know, on the fourth fret, starting on the fourth string, sorry, starting on the fifth fret, fourth fret, third fret, second fret, just like that, all right in a row diagonally. That's great, but the next inversion of that would be here, 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 and there, and I can't even play it. On piano, however, that's just a very simple chord like that. And so on and so forth. So what you do is you take the second note from the top and drop it down an octave, and instead of having this horrific chord like that, you know, you would end up with this chord. And that's a very easy, you can see it's very compact and very easy. Okay, so we did the F chords, F major 7s, okay, and the F7s, and the F minor 7s, and now what we want to do is, instead of doing F chords, we're going to go ahead and change the key, change the chord. We're going to go to a C chord. We're going to start with C major 7, and it's going to be at the same fret. And in fact, this voicing, remember this voicing, if you recall, was the bottom note was the root, then the fifth, then the seventh, then the third, okay? Well, if we move everything down here, it's going to be voiced like that. So we end up with, here's the root, the fifth, the seventh, and third, okay? And in this case, it's C, G, B, and E, all right? So there's C major 7, there's the first one. Third fret, fifth fret, fourth fret, and fifth fret. Now, a lot of you already know this chord, and you probably play it with your first finger barred, and that's fine. It's totally legit. There will be times, though, when we want to make a flat 5 chord or a sharp 5 chord, that this note on the first string is not going to work. And I'm playing over here on the right hand, I'm playing just thumb and 3 fingers, so I'm getting 4 notes only. So I'm kind of able to select the notes I want. And the other thing that's nice about using your hand to play these chords is you can kind of highlight the notes you want. You can accent the lower notes, you can accent the higher ones. With a strum or with a pick, it's a little more difficult to do that. Okay, so that's the C major 7. Okay, so root, fifth, seventh, and third. All right, and so let's fifth is right here. Let's flat 5 it. There's C major 7 flat 5. Okay, C major 7, C major 7 sharp 5. That's a great chord. Okay, all right, now. Let's take what we do to make a major 7th a dominant 7th chord is we take the 7th down a half step, we flatten it, okay? So we're going to take that 4th fret right there on the 3rd string, and we're going to go down to the 3rd fret, and we just take advantage of our bar, and it's going to be 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, okay? Now, so there we have the root, 5th, flatted 7th, and 3rd. So if we want to make this a flat 5 chord, we do that. Want to make it a sharp 5 chord. Okay, there it is right there. So C7, C7 flat 5, C7 sharp 5. Whoops. And you can make a nice exercise out of that. Okay, now let's make this a minor 7th chord. So remember, to make a 7th chord a minor 7th chord, we have to flat the 3rd, which is right here. The 3rd is the E, and we make it E flat, and there's our C minor 7 chord, okay? So, and C minor 7, there's the fifth is in the same place it's been the whole time, okay? So we want to take that fifth down a half step, we end up with this, and again, that's a very common chord, this. Okay, that's a very common chord, C minor 7 flat 5, or any minor 7 chord. These are all minor 7th chord flat 5s, okay? There's 12 of them. So again, remember, every time we do this, we're learning 108 chords. All right, so there's C minor 7 flat 5. Here's C minor 7 again. Here's C minor 7 sharp 5. So we take that G up to G sharp, and so it's C, G sharp, B flat, and E flat. And I really would call it those. I wouldn't call that A flat. I would call it G sharp. That way we kind of keep it in our head that it's it's a G sharp, a sharp 5, because G is the 5th of C. All right. So it is a little weird to have a B flat and a G sharp in the same chord, but that's pretty legit way to look at the chord. Okay. So just a quick review: C major 7, C7, C minor 7. Okay. And then we have C major 7 flat 5, C major 7 sharp 5. We have C7 flat 5 and C7 sharp 5. And we have C minor 7, C minor 7 flat 5, and C minor 7 sharp 5, which is kind of like an A flat 2 over C chord. But anyway, you can call it whatever you want. All right, that's it for this. We're going to do the next shape tomorrow. And God bless you. Have a good day.